Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best DTF transfer film is probably one of the most exciting advancements in textile printing, offering a versatile and efficient way to transfer vibrant, detailed designs onto various fabrics. This video dives deep into the world of DTF transfer film for sublimation, exploring its unique capabilities and how it's revolutionizing the way we approach custom apparel and personalized items. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started. Number 5. CenDale DTF A4 Transfer Film. This film uses a 5-layer coating process for superior ink absorption, resulting in vibrant prints. The anti-slip layer ensures smooth printer feeding. It also offers excellent washability and stretch resistance, and can be stored for future use. The CenDale DTF film uses German matte film and anti-static coating technology. It's compatible with all DTF and sublimation printers. The film's strong ink absorption ensures colors print clearly. The non-stick surface prevents powder from clinging, allowing patterns to release flawlessly. The A4 film measures 210 mm x 297 mm with a thickness of 0.029 x 100 The recommended transfer temperature is 266 to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, with a press time of 6 to 10 seconds. Remember, the printing side is indicated on the packaging. This DTF film works on a wide range of fabrics, including cotton, polyester, and blends. There are no color or fabric restrictions. It works seamlessly on both light and dark textiles. If using DTF sublimation hack, only white fabrics are compatible. Skip the pre-treatment step. You can create, print, and cut the film to your desired size without weeding. Make sure you have DTF ink, powder, and film ready. Experimentation with settings will help reduce errors. CenDale has 20 years of experience in DTF transfer film production. They strive to provide the best products and service. They offer an 18-month warranty. Contact them within 24 hours if you have any issues. What we like. This film offers exceptional quality with its 5-layer coating, ensuring brilliant color transfers. If you are looking for a film that delivers vibrant and crisp designs, this is the one for you. It's compatible with a wide range of fabrics, making it perfect for diverse projects. What people say. The prints have always come out with very vibrant color. Durability is great. Very pleased with this paper. I use it in my DTF converted Epson 8550 and it works great. The colors are vibrant and it hot peels effortlessly. Number 4. Yamation DTF A4 Transfer Film. This DTF transfer film is coated multiple times for superior ink absorption. This results in brighter colors and clearer patterns for your designs. The film features a premium double matte side. This design ensures the film runs smoothly and prevents any slipping during the printing process. The non-printing side of the film is specially treated to be static-free. This means no powder residue will be left behind after shaking. The patterns transferred using this film can withstand numerous washes. The designs remain firm, without fading, peeling, or cracking. This DTF transfer film works with all color fabrics, including white, dark, and bright materials. It is also compatible with all modified desktop DTF printers. What we like. With its ability to produce brighter and clearer prints, this film is a standout. If you like a film that runs smoothly without slipping, the double matte side is a great feature. This film is also static-free, ensuring no powder residue after shaking, so you should consider it. What people say. Best film on Amazon. It is a lifesaver. Hot peel, no problems feeding the paper. The weight is great for my professional printer. First, this product feed easily on my Epson ET2800 sub printer from the top feed with no issues. I do individual pages for DFT, one at a time, and had no paper jams, no issues getting it to feed into the printer like I have on others. Definitely a thicker feel and total game changer. They performed beautifully every time. I'm very impressed. Number 3. KASYU DTF Transfer Film for all fabrics. This is the KASYU DTF Transfer Film. It's designed for all sublimation and DTF printers. It's a revolutionary product for your DIY projects. Included is a magic sticky printing pad. This helps to avoid printing issues and makes printing easy. It ensures perfect results every time. Unlike traditional methods, this film works on all fabric colors and types. You can now customize garments without any limitations. It works best with KASYU DTF Transfer Powder. The film and powder are ideal for DTF sublimation projects. After many tests, it creates a soft, flexible, and breathable feel. It is also scratch and crack resistant. The matte printing side ensures the best adhesion. This results in a 100% transfer rate and a smooth feel. It minimizes powder residue, making the process easier. We are confident in this product and offer a 30-day warranty. Contact us with any questions. Our team will reply within 12 hours with satisfactory answers. What we like. This film includes a reusable printing pad, making printing easier than ever. If you are looking for a film that works on all colors and types of fabrics, this is a great choice. The prints are washable and durable, so you can count on it. What people say. The sheets have dimensions of 8.5 inches by 11 inches, which enables sufficient printing space and may accommodate a variety of design sizes. This sublimation and direct-to-film, DTF, printer-friendly transfer film is one of the many features that set it apart from the competition. It doesn't leave a single roller mark, and my prints come out flawless every time. Number 2. CenDale DTF Transfer Kit for any fabric. Introducing the CenDale DTF Transfer Kit. It includes everything you need to get started, such as transfer film, powder, and more. This kit is the perfect choice for beginners and hobbyists alike. This DTF film uses a matte film and anti-static coating for strong ink absorption. The pattern peels off completely, and the powder won't stick. It's compatible with all DTF and sublimation printers. With a 5-layer coating, this film provides brilliant, color-rich transfers. The powder ensures strong adhesion, resulting in soft, washable, and breathable prints. It's also scratch and crack resistant. DTF printing works on various fabrics without restrictions. You can create, print, and cut to any size without weeding. Note that if using DTF sublimation, only white fabrics are compatible. This kit is designed to be user-friendly and hassle-free. No pre-treatment is required, making it a versatile option for all your printing needs. We stand behind the quality of our products with an 18-month warranty. If you're not satisfied, contact us for a quick response. The products are made of PET, which is non-degradable and compostable. What we like. This kit is an all-in-one solution for beginners. If you are looking for an upgraded formula that ensures strong ink absorption and vibrant colors, this kit is perfect. It's also easy to use, so you should consider it. What people say. The inclusion of both the A4 sheets and the powder provides everything needed to get started immediately, assuming you already have a compatible printer and software. DTF's ability to work on cotton, polyester, blends, and even dark garments is a key advantage over other transfer methods. The color's vibrant on a light shirt. Easy to iron on and it stuck to the shirt quickly. Number 1. DTF Transfer Film Paper A4, all fabrics and colors. This DTF transfer paper is an industry favorite, and it works on all fabric colors, including dark and light. It's also compatible with various materials like cotton, jeans, and polyester. This makes it incredibly versatile for your printing needs. The double-sided DTF transfer film is thick and evenly coated, perfect for any DTF printer. You can choose between cold and hot peel, but the cold peel generally provides better results. This ensures a high-quality finish for your projects. Forget about weeding. You can easily create, print, and cut this film to your desired size. It's designed for direct printing on various items, such as t-shirts, pillows, and caps. This simplifies the process and saves you time. This transfer film is compatible with inkjet and DTG printers, along with DTF transfer ink and powder. It delivers vivid and clear colors, ensuring your designs look their best. The result is a professional-looking print every time. This direct-to-vinyl film eliminates the need for pre-treatment, saving you both money and time. If you're not satisfied, we offer refunds and are committed to ensuring your satisfaction. We are here to support your printing endeavors. What we like. This film works on all fabrics and colors, making it incredibly versatile. If you are looking for a thick, double-sided film that's easy to use, this is a great option. It also saves you time and money, so you should consider it. What people say. Work perfect. Good product. Easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.